Hello everyone, welcome back to the Map of Mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have a to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is equal to 36, and we will solve this problem for the value of x. So the very first thing we are going to do is here first we will rewrite this term as here you have 8. The prime factors of 8 are 2 to the power of 3 and its whole power x, plus here you have 4 and the factors of 4 are 2 to the power of 2 and whole power x is equal to 36. After this step we will use the nice exponential law, and you very well know about this law. If you have a to the power of m to the power of n, so it is equals to a to the power of n times of n. It means that you can just interchange these two exponents and you get the same value, which is a to the power of m times of n. So here we need only to interchange the exponents, so that I can just interchange these two exponents and you get the output in the form of 2 to the power of x whole cubed plus 2 to the power of x whole square is equal to 36. And after this step we will take here 2 to the power of x is equal to y, so that this exponential equation will become the cubic equation in the form of y cubed plus y square is equal to 36. And now we move this 36 in the left hand side and you get y cubed plus y square minus 36 is equal to 0. And now we make the factors of this equation, so that here we rewrite this equation as y cube plus y square, and here you have minus 36, and we write this minus 36 as minus 27 minus 9 is equal to 0. So now we make the pairs of cubic term and the square term. So the first cubic term is y cube, and here you have minus 27, so minus 27 is equal to minus 3 cube, so it is also cubic term. And this is square term y square, and here you have minus 9 and it is equal to 3 square and whole equal to 0. And now we will apply here the nice square and cubic formula, and you know that if we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, you have the square formula, which is a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So here we need to apply these two formulas, so that first I will apply the cubic formula. So this expression will becomes in the form of y minus 3 times of y square plus 3y plus 3 square, plus here you have y square minus 3 square, and it is equals to y minus 3 times of y plus 3 is equal to 0. And now you focus on both of the terms and you see that here we take common y minus 3 from both of the terms, and you get y minus 3 times of y square plus 3y, plus here you have 3 square, it is equals to 9, and we take common y minus 3, and here you get plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. And now we need to solve this problem, and here we have two cases. The first case is we take y minus 3 is equal to 0, and the other case is we take y square plus here you have 3y plus y is 4y, and 9 plus 3 is equal to 12 and whole is equal to 0. So in first case you get y is equal to 3, and in order to find the other real values we need to solve this quadratic equation. So now I can first check this quadratic equation has real roots or complex root, because in this question we need only real roots, so that I can apply the discriminant formula in order to check the roots of this equation which is real or not. So here we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 12, and discriminant formula is delta is equal to b square minus 4 times of ac. So that here I can check the behavior of this delta. Is if this delta is less than 0, then we can say that this quadratic equation has no real roots, and if it is greater than 0, then we say that the given this is quadratic equation has 2 real roots, or if this delta is equal to 0, then we can say that this quadratic equation has 1 real root. So now we check the behavior of this delta by putting the values of a, b and c here, and you get delta is equal to b square. The value of b is 4, so 4 square is 16 minus 4 times of ac. The value of a is 1, the value of c is 12, so 4 times of 12 is 48, and 16 minus 48 is equal to, so it is equal to minus 32, and it is less than 0. So our delta is less than 0, so if it is less than 0, we say that it has no real roots. So if it has no real roots, then we will reject it this case, because if it is no real root, it means that it has complex roots. So now we proceed here only this case. So in this case you have y is equal to 3, and the value of y is 2 to the power of x. So here you have 2 to the power of x is equal to 3, and now in order to find the value of x, we can use the log on both of the sides. So log 2 to the power of x is equal to log of 3, and now we use the property of log. So this exponent will become in the front of this log, and you get x times of log 2 is equal to log 3. And now you can use the calculator in order to find the values of logs. So here you have x is equal to log 3 over log 2. We move this log 2 in the right hand side, and you get in this form. So the value of log 3 is 0.4771, and the value of log 2 is 0.3010. And now you divide these two values, and you get the output in the form of 1.5850. So this is the answer of this question. And now in order to check this answer, we need here to put the value of x in the question statement. So our question statement is a to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is equal to 36, and we put here 8 to the power of 1.5850 plus 4 to the power of 1.5850 is equal to 36. Now you can use calculator in order to find the values of these terms. So if you can find the value of this term, you get 27.00, and when you get the value this term, you get 9.00. So finally you get here 36.00, so it is equals to 36. And you see that left hand side is equal to right hand side, it means that x is equal to 1.5850 satisfies the given question statement, and this shows that x is equal to 1.5850 be the only solution of this question. And this is, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.